Okay, everybody. If you haven't had a chance to take a look at the latest Q&A video, it does come in two parts. In fact, I just remembered I've got to post the second part to that Q&A video. I forgot to do that today. But take a look at the second part of today's Q&A video. At the very end of it, I go through an in-depth process for looking at the markets. I had a question where one of the members of the crew realized that what he really was looking for was he said, I want a GPS and a map. So hopefully after you view that, you'll see that that's exactly what I gave him, and of course everyone else that wants to take a look at it. There's really not a whole lot going on here. You can see that we're stuck in the middle of this trading range here. I think unless the market is going to get down here or is going to get up here, we're really in danger of some whipsaws. The market may pose a breakout, but again, this is something you've got to monitor. Breaking out above this 2.0183, I know that's very similar to last night, looking for 2.0187, but breaking above 2.0183 for long trades, if you're going to monitor it again, 35 pip stop. I can't reiterate this enough, given the emails I've gotten. You've got to be watching these trades. And again, if the market spikes up like it does here, and then immediately turns back around, that's a signal that momentum is dying off. That's a signal for me to get out. What happened over here, you saw the market, make sure I'm in the right spot. You see the market spiked up on the 15-minute bar. Gave the breakout signal, then the first 15-minute bar closed down well into the prior bar. That is a signal to get out. Okay, you've got, in fact, that even looks like a little angry face, doesn't it? You've just got to get out. Okay, that's not a good sign whenever momentum turns against a position right away. You want momentum to break out like you see over here and then continue on in the next couple of bars. So if you're going to be looking at taking a position, that's really the only one I see of interest. Short position, there's so much support coming into this area right here, given that we've got $2 just below it. You've got a consolidation area here. You've got some support over here, plus even more in the background. I think taking a short trade, even off of this steeply angled line, again, you could try and take a trade off of this line. But you just got to be careful. The market is at a point where it's very volatile. Prices are whipping back and forth, so make sure you're inside of the sweet spot with this type of position.